Joshua Suzanne, back here at Rags A Go-Go once again, and I have a beautiful young lady here with me in the store today. And what is your name?
Chie.
Chie.
You write like Thai, but I'm not a Thai. It's Chie. You pronounce Chie. It's a
So
Japanese name.
T-I-E. It's a Japanese name.
Yes.
And you're from Brazil. How did you get a Japanese name since you're from Brazil?
Of course, I have a hippie mom. No?
Okay, so she decided to name you Thai.
Yeah, Thai.
Thai.
No, actually, she decided to name me Chie. That means wisdom in Japanese.
Oh,
and it's
nice.
also a bird in Brazil, a very red bird.
Huh.
That's why I have this little bird on the cover.
On the cover of
my first album.
your first album. Look at this. We're going to bring this right up to the camera for a minute. I'm going to hold that steady so we can look at this. And the name of the first CD that you did is?
Is Sweet Jardim, and Jardim means garden.
Okay.
So it's Sweet Garden.
How long have you been doing music?
4 years maybe.
4 years?
Yes.
About 4 years? And what got you into this?
I don't know. I had this family artist in the family, and I started to sing, and then I started to compose, and then I play, and I learned the piano and the guitar.
Wow.
And then I released this album with 10 songs, all my songs, and I record everything.
Now, what kind of music is it? How do you describe your music?
A little folk, but of course it's Brazilian music because it's Portuguese songs. Some of the songs I sing in English and French too, but it's very narrative and it's more a songwriting, composing, very like lyrics.
Nice. All in Brazilian, all in Portuguese, as I should say.
Yeah, most of them. There's one song in English and one song in half French, half Portuguese.
Nice, beautiful.
Very good.
Where are you going with all of this? Are you doing well in Brazil? Are you traveling?
Yes, I'm doing well. I just released and I had a lot of shows and everything, and now I'm here in New York. I had a show in Rockwood, and I have today, I don't know when this is coming, but I have No Blue and I have Pianos.
And when's Pianos?
Pianos is Sunday, 9 o'clock.
Sunday night?
Yes, Sunday 19 at 9
Sunday the
o'clock.
19th at 9 o'clock, and you told me it was free, right?
It's free,
and it's free, you guys. You know where Pianos is at in New York City. Go see this girl sing.
Yes, Lalo Street, I think, 153 Lalo
Yep,
Street.
down on Ludlow. And so now, after New York, where are you going to be going?
Then I'm going to Paris and London and Berlin.
Wow.
And I have like 6 or 7 shows, and then I come back here.
To New York?
May 6, yes.
To do more shows here?
I don't know, maybe more shows or just to hang out.
Shopping at Rags A Go-Go, maybe?
My boyfriend's coming to from Brazil to be with me for 1 week, and I'm going to bring him here.
Cool.
Because every time I come to New York, I come here to this store and I buy something very, very cool.
Yes! Musicians, actors, regular people, homeless, very wealthy, they all come to Rags A Go-Go.
Yes,
Sweetheart, listen, I want to wish you so much fortune and luck, and I think you're going to do great. You have a great spirit.
Very good. Thank you so much.
You get out there, keep entertaining us,
and I will keep coming here
please,
all the time.
Please. All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.